Welcome, I'm SD Kelley. As mentioned in the last DIY video, which I have uploaded very recently, I'm bringing to you in this video a DIY on these beautiful metallic triple candle holders. Other than some hot glue sticks and a glue gun and some spray paint, these were completely made of Dollar Tree products. When I was at Dollar Tree, I picked out 6 pillar candle holders and I had arranged them at the store so I would know how I want them to go when I brought them home and to make sure that they would go together. To join the pieces, I want more area of surface contact than just that elevated rim around the edge, so I'm adding some scrap pieces of wood craft sticks. I'm using a combination of hot glue and Dollar Tree's Fix-All Adhesive to join the pieces together. I hold the pieces in place and let the hot glue set, and then I set a heavy full can of spray paint on top to let the adhesive set permanently. I put together the 3 pieces that form the tallest candle holder in the same manner. I really like the way that these come together. They have a really classy, elegant look about them with these metallic colors, yet they can cross over into a variety of decor. I didn't realize it at the time, but I kept bumping into a crate that holds the camera arm, which holds my camera, and that's why it looks like I'm crafting through an earthquake. I spray painted all 3 pieces with Rust-Oleum's forged hammer in the color of burnt umber, and look how beautiful and metallic these all turned out. And they're going to go perfectly with these other pieces that I will add on top. They're vaulted candle holders I also got from the Dollar Tree, and they're like Mercury glass, but they're in 3 shades of metallic tones of gold, copper, and silver. Just very quickly, I want to show these other pieces that I've made using Dollar Tree products, and also some pieces from a thrift store. Now those glass beads are glass bracelets that I got from my local Dollar Tree actually. The 2 glasses on top of these 2 candle holder sets that I put together are actually from a thrift store, and they were 50 cents a piece. Now this one I found a sconce at a thrift store, and this one has a candle holder with 2 bowls, 2 small glass bowls, and of course that butterfly, you probably recognize that from Dollar Tree. And that's going to be in an upcoming DIY, I hope, in the near future. Anyway, back to the project, and I really love how these turned out, and I hope that you do too, and that you like, comment, and share this video. And if you haven't already, I hope that you'll subscribe because I would love to have you here. Once again, I am SD Kelley, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and give it a big thumbs up if you did. Also, I hope you will subscribe to my channel because I have many more great ideas to share with you. If you're interested in following me on social media or contacting me, I'll put those links in the description below. I thank you for watching, and bye for now.